Hey guys! Someone is playing a kazoo in my house. We love memes! Welcome back to my channel. I know I said I wouldn't take another break, but here we are. So, I have finals tomorrow. I just woke up from a depression nap, but I'm filming here today because I'm gonna be at Andy's house for like the next week and I'm gonna need something to do while he's at work. So today I thought I'd throw kind of an informative, fun video at you guys and show you how I achieved my current hairstyle. Before we jump into anything, I just want to give a huge thank you to Feshfen.com for gifting me these hair extensions. I'll include the link to them and the link to their website in the description below, and then you can also use my coupon code, which is just my username Skyjuu, for 10% off. So I'm just starting off with bleaching my roots. I use the L'Oreal Quick Blue packets and 30 volume developer, and I also always get a friend to help me. Today my friends Gabby and Sasha are helping me and we basically got the job done twice as fast. We also decided to dye Sasha's hair too. So now that my roots are all saturated, I move on to mixing my dye and dyeing my extensions. I use 1/4 of Arctic Fox's Virgin Pink dye and 3/4 conditioner, or you can actually pick up a diluter. I know that Arctic Fox carries one called Arctic Mist. What you want to do is keep on mixing until the shade of the dye looks like the shade that you want on your hair. I should also mention that I went through an entire bottle of conditioner for this entire process, so make sure you have enough conditioner. So these are Feshfen's 22-inch human hair extensions in the number 613, and their weight is 140 grams. There are 9 pieces in total, and I basically just lay them out on a big plastic bag and saturate both sides of every piece in the dye. Next, I just rinse and blow dry my hair, and I start applying that same dye and conditioner mixture. I'm not sure if this is effective at all, but I always apply diluted dye to the ends of my hair first to prevent it from looking too saturated on my freshly bleached roots. I got Sasha to help me for this part as well. You absolutely want to let pastel or diluted dye sit for at least an hour. In my case, it was really hard because it was already like 2 a.m., but if I can get through it, then so can you guys. Okay, so I've never in my life worn hair extensions before, as you can fucking tell, but basically what I did was I curled my hair like normal, and then I curled the extensions the same way that I curl my hair, and I kind of just clipped them in. They're all probably showing in the back, but practice makes perfect, so you gotta practice at this. Honestly, I feel like curling your extensions helps them blend way more than straightening them, but I can't really talk from experience because I have naturally like super curly hair, so whenever I straighten it, it doesn't stay pin straight. And then also I've never obviously worn straight extensions before, so I don't know. This is all just like a new experience for me, a new experience for you. We can share this together. So yeah, that's everything that I did to achieve my current hairstyle. I hope this video was kind of informative for you guys. I know it was definitely like a first time thing for me. Don't forget to click thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and also subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos.